Hey, I'm so happy I have completed my Infinity Level 1 course. I am extremely happy. Um, More than me, I think it's my daughter who is, happy and jumping. So after I told her that I have completed my course and we both started jumping. So it's really, I'm having a really amazing feeling. Um, so, what I have, seen a difference in myself after doing this course. Um, I've started feeling little more confident. Uh, and I'm getting the feeling of enthusiasm that wow, I can do it, and I can now step into the world of healing and understanding others more. And secondly, I am feeling more positive, strong. So all these feelings are coming to me after doing the course. Definitely I have done almost 5 sessions on others, and that has given me not only confidence, I would say, but I would say the sense of understanding the people more. So this course is amazing. This modality is amazing. And what to say about Aniga? She's an amazing person. She's a great mentor. I have worked with many teachers before, but the way she teaches with a lot of positivity, and her knowledge and understanding is amazing. She's a lovely person. I would definitely recommend. I would definitely recommend the one who wants to go into this infinity healing to go with Anika, and you'll start seeing the difference. And the she's very composed, and she the way she answers to the question, uh, it's like it you start feeling a lot positive after that. And thank you, Anika, for this amazing teaching me this amazing modality. And I love you. And thank you for making me understand so many things, giving me knowledge on many things. So thank you so much, and love you.